Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. What are we looking at? This is a balance shaft chain. So this is a harmonic balancer, and this is a water pump shaft of a beautiful 2011 Audi A4 2.0 Turbo Quattro. It's a beautiful car. Had a jump chain, so I'm gonna replace that. I'm gonna install the cylinder head. I took it to the machine shop. So today's video is about how to replace this one. So let's get to it. Okay guys, you see this notch? It's right here. Okay. The car is top dead center. But if you look here, that notch is right there. You don't want to do that. Okay? So watch what's going to happen when I turn the car and give it another rotation. Actually, two rotations. Two full rotations. Now look at this dot. It's right here. See? That dot is right there. And this dot is going to go here and meet with this notch, yellow one. And here the dot is going to be here, and I'm almost top dead center. So this is the outcome that I need. This is when I do this, when this becomes flat completely, this dot here and this dot is right here. I'm sure you can see it. It's right there. And then this one. Okay, so when you do that, now you start removing stuff. So the tools we're gonna need a 27 millimeter, and we're gonna need M10, just like this, M10. Okay. So when you remove these, just put every guide with the bolts so that when you replace it, you put the exact bolts where they belong. Okay? This one you need 27 millimeter. I already broke it loose because I don't want to keep fighting with it. So we're gonna toss this away and we're gonna put a new one, except that it's not. And you just put it here. Okay, for now just turn it like a couple turns. Now we're just gonna remove the chain, and I'll compare it with the new one. This is a new one, this is the old one. Can you see the difference now? Okay, that's good enough. You want to look for three black dots, okay? And you want to start with this one goes here, and the other one goes right there. I can see it. Right here. Okay. And the other one should should be matching. This one here. Okay, see the color is different. So all I did is turn this one. I turned it this way, and I turned the other one this way, so that it becomes stable. Okay. Now I'm gonna I could put this back or replace it. I always like the original ones, but hey, you know what? This guy is probably 10 years old. Okay? So I'm not gonna put this one, I'm gonna put this one. And it just goes here. Okay. So now I'm just gonna tighten everything. You can turn it by hand, and then I don't know what that is, but it seems like it's a washer. Okay. So now I'm gonna verify, make sure that everything is good. Then I tighten that by you see that notch is matching. You see that is matching, and also that is matching. Okay, so everything is good. It's not complicated. Okay, now I'm just gonna go for gonna tighten this. Okay, I think I got it where it should be. All right. And now I'm just gonna rotate this. Okay, so when I get to top dead center, as I wish, the notch is here, the other notch is here, and that one is right here. This is flat. Thank you so much for watching. Please share and subscribe, and